Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint this super cute turkey paint by line. I'm going to go in first with the color chocolate and paint his feathers. Next I'm going in with the color putty for his body. Following that, I'm going to go in with pine cone for his little arms. I'll also use terracotta for his feet. I'm going to use kernel mustard for his nose, and I'm going in now with barn red for the stripe on his hat and his gobbler. And I'm using that barn red to accent all of my feathers. And I'm also going to accent my feathers in kernel mustard and terracotta as well. And my favorite brush for this step is just a number 4 round. And then I'm going to go in and paint his hat black, and then I'm going to begin to outline everything again with that number 4 round. This is what I'm going to use to go in and fill in his eyes. And then I'll highlight everything with a little bit of the color cotton, still using that same number 4 round that I'm using here. And then that will complete my project. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and have a wonderful day.